Everyone's starting to feel that Irish magic this time of year. So get inspired to create festive decor to celebrate all things green. Today we're gonna make a St. Patrick's Day table topper. So let's get started. You'll need a yard of St. Patrick's Day themed fabric, a large bowl with a 16-inch or more diameter to use as a pattern, eyelet trim, your brother's sewing machine, scissors, straight pins, and a measuring tape. First, with right sides of the fabric together, trace a circle on your fabric using the edge of a large bowl or platter. And this is your lucky charm for the project because it's already a perfect circle. Next, on one layer of fabric, pin the trim around the edge facing inward and sew it in place. Lay the second circle right side down on top of the already trimmed circle. Pin it all together and sew around the edge, leaving a 3 to 4 inch opening, and turn it right side out. Press, being sure to turn in the raw edges of the opening. Then top stitch all the way around. And there you have it, a fun table topper for your St. Patrick's Day party. You can put your own pot of gold on it, and all the lads and lassies will be searching for the end of this rainbow. And before I go, here's an Irish blessing for you. May your troubles be less and your blessings be more, and nothing but happiness come through your door.